Campus Chronicles, the podcast where we spill all the tea about university life. Okay, I'm Neha, host and fellow student at Umrah. Today we're keeping it really with two of my classmates who are gonna share the good, the bad, and the absolutely hilarious about studying law at Raja Ali Haji Maritim University. Okay, so grab your coffee and settle in. Let's get this conversation start. First up, meet Adil, known for always having the best campus stories.
Hi everyone, I'm Adil, and honestly, I probably spend more time in the cafeteria than the library.
I am Vilma, and it is to share our experience at Umrah.
Oh wow, perfect. So let's dive right in the with ultimate question. Okay, be honest, why did you really choose Umrah for law school? And don't give me the typical "it's a great institution" answer.
Okay, real talk. I got exam and thought, hey, it's close to home, why not? But then I dug deeper and realized something good. Umrah has this unique maritime focus that you literally cannot find anywhere else. I mean, think about it. We're studying law in a place that specializes in maritime stuff. Did pretty badass for future lawyers, right?
I'm more right for Umrah. Focus on maritime student with totally with all region volunteers. For it the only university in the country, so if they think staying close to family will still getting quality education.
To be honest, Umrah wasn't my first choice initially. I was actually hoping to get into UNRI, but then I realized I wanted to study alongside my twin sibling. That's what really to study alongside my twin sibling. That's what really made me choose Umrah. The opportunity to share this college experience with my twin. Family connection matter a lot to me.
Okay, I love that. So we'll end up here different region, but we're all part of a unique this maritime focused legal education. It's actually pretty cool when you think about it. Alright, consistent time today at Umrah. Adil, I know have you story.
Oh man, I was not prepared. Going from high school where teacher tell you everything to university where you're suddenly responsible for your own life. Total culture shock. I remember walking around campus completely lost, trying to find my first constitutional law class.
I believe you were looking for class was never just being in completely and now everyone.
But here, the thing that surprised me, everyone was so welcome. Like random senior would stop and help. Lecturers actually remember our name, and people were genuinely nice. Not what I expect from university at all.
That greenness really helped me adapt quickly. It was less in the thing when people were happy with me.
I was genuinely excited. The social atmosphere was incredible. Everyone was so welcoming and eager to get to know each other. That friendly environment really made me fall in love with studying and life at Umrah. It felt like joining a big family.
Oh, remember my first day too? I was terrified. I did just other face in the crowd, but felt more like joining a community than just starting school. Okay, let's talk about our law program, and I want the unfiltered truth how studying law at Umrah really.
Okay, so I walked in expecting it to be formal and stuff. You know, traditional law school fight, but it's actually super engaging. Like, our lectures don't just read from textbook.
I agree lecturers are really competent and open to discussion with than you'd expect. But can we talk about the nursery talk to Bullying can be met, punishment, and somewhat create definitely need upgrading.
Keep it real. Yeah, I definitely had traditional last minute or had to deal with spotty internet during online shop.
I have to be honest here, I don't think it's quite up to par with other state universities. In my opinion, Umrah feels somewhat behind when it comes to the learning system, both in the terms of infrastructure development and student learning research. There's definitely room for improvement.
That's good point. Great professor can make even less than perfect classroom feel engaging. Speaking of professor, any standout lecture or subject that really got to you?
Mr. Andy is amazing. His teaching style is so chill and incredible. You think you are just having a casual conversation and the band. You are learning something profound about legal theory.
What about the subject? Any that really stood out?
Maritime law was a game changer for me. It was the first time I feel like I was learning directly connected to our environment and our culture as lawyers in this region. Like suddenly everything clicked about why we're studying law here specifically.
For me, Islamic law was incredibly memorable, issue relevant to daily life and really help understand how religious principles integrate with legal practice. Very practical and meaningful.
Absolutely, my favorite has to be Mr. Andrew. I really appreciate his teaching approach. He has this way of breaking down complex concepts that makes everything so much easier for students like us to understand. His teaching mechanism just clicks with me.
I love that, but after we pick a subject that connect to real life and our local context, that's what makes Umrah special, right? Okay, let's get practical. How do we actually survive while time management tips, anyone?
Okay, I gonna sound like a total nerd. Good to-do lists are my life. Priorities that absolutely need to be done first. And whenever I have free time, I try to get to achievement right away so today don't feel uncomfortable everything instead of work.
As my tech law student and techman, I top priority that I always make sure to set a different work best. You can let your slack get too straight or and work out.
I priority based on importance during class hours. My focus is entirely on lectures. When it comes to assessment versus other activity, I always put my coursework first. I rather complete meaningful tasks than get distracted by less important activities.
Hearing time, I love that term, and it's so true. While class is intense, but we're still human beings who need fun and relaxation. How our law student community? Are we competitive, sharp, or supportive friends?
Honestly, it's way more supportive than as expert. Most of us genuinely help each other out. Sure, there are some competitive people. We are students after all, but it's healthy competition.
Yeah, it's really friendly with there is family and most are not for all at all.
When we have small core competition or group projects, we totally support each other. Like, let's stay up yet helping teammates prepare a demand of sharing vision.
It's actually both competitive and friendly, which creates an interesting dynamic. I'd say student life really tests how well you can navigate this relationship. It keeps you on your toes, but in good way.
In our law classes, we study customary law and traditional legal principles alongside modern Indonesian law. It's like giving a complete legal education that's rooted in our local reality. Time for some real talk about campus facilities. What's wrong and what's working and what's not so much.
Okay, so the library is actually getting better and more complex, which is great for research, but study room. It's like getting a marine exam system, and the easy is renewed.
Unfortunately, they are not quiet at the gate. Our buildings are still relatively small considering that the majority of Umrah students are actually from the law program. We could really use more space and better facilities.
But you know what? I think we're all pretty understanding because we can see the campus is developing. It's not perfect now, but it's getting better.
Exactly. We're part of Umrah growth plan. In a few years, we'll be the alumni who can say we were there when it was still building up.
Where do we actually spend our time between classes? Come on, Bill.
Okay, first real study. I love the library when it's quiet, or sometimes in garden areas because they're private. But this building, the cafeteria is where life happens.
The cafeteria is definitely the social room.
Right? You get to graph and somehow end up in the full hall conversation about everything from constitutional law to weekend plans. Sometimes we even manage to work on assignment, so usually end up just talking.
The working space is my favorite. It's perfect for both individual study and group work. Really comfortable and peaceful. It's become my sanctuary on campus.
The cafeteria conversations are the best. Some of my best study sessions have happened just because we are relaxed and bouncing ideas off each other. Okay, this is my favorite part of or any funny or unique campus stories. I know you have something good. Good something?
Oh my god. Okay. So this is the best part about our campus. We are allowed in the hall of the street, right? And we have this monkey that regularly comes down looking for food in the motorcycle parking area.
The monkey are legendary.
I'm not even joking. You'll be walking to class, minding your own business. And suddenly, there a monkey just chilling next to your motorcycle. It's like having the most unique quiet study Buddhist ever. Where else can you say you studied law alongside campus monkey?
Oh, this is embarrassing. During our Ramadan class, we are required to wear traditional Malay clothing called baju kurung. Well, I completely messed up the dress code one day, wore the wrong outfit entirely. Let's just say I learned about Malay traditional wear the hard way.
That's so proud. After that, we have this unexpected moment that make campus life memorable. Alright, Phil, what would you tell someone considering law school at Umrah?
Legal education that gives you specialist knowledge, where teaching you connect with the local communication and culture. Umrah is perfect. You'll learn maritime law, understand local legal tradition, and graduate with a unique perspective that you can get anywhere else. Plus, where else do you get to study with campus monkey as entertainment?
I'd say you get quality legal education equals to harm with a really strong sense of community is not just about teaching and rate is about understanding how law works in our specific regional context.
And from my perspective, what makes Umrah special is that combination of academic rigor with genuine community feel. We're not just studying law, we're preparing to be lawyers who understand serve our region.